What's happening, everybody? This is Lightning Bolt Forever, and I'm not going to really make this video too long. What I do want to do is pretty much just give you guys kind of an update and kind of just sort of make this little thing to commemorate me being on YouTube for 2 years, which, yes, I posted up my first video not, well, probably by, well, it's still the 29th. Probably by the time this goes up, it'll be the 30th. But either way, I've been on this channel. I've started this channel on December 29th of 2011, and I uploaded my very first video the next day, which was the very first Prince of Persia video. And well, yeah, this is sort of just a little thing to, like, commemorate that and everything. And man, I gotta tell you, I mean, over 400 subscribers in these 2 years. I mean, I don't know. Looking back at this year, I think I've had a pretty good year in terms of Let's Playing and stuff. But, yeah, I mean, I got 100 subs back in April, and then after that, they just kept on coming. So, yeah, I think I've had a pretty good year for 2013. So yeah, I guess we'll see what 2014 brings. But yeah, this is just sort of a thing to celebrate me having this channel for 2 years and making videos. And well, yeah, that's what I wanted to get into next. I am gonna be doing videos starting tomorrow. I have one more game in mind to start, and hopefully, well, I don't know if I might be able to finish it by the end of the year in 3 days. Yeah, I don't know, but or actually, at that point it'll be 2 days. But yeah, it's a short game, and yeah, you guys already know what it is. It's Mega Man 2. I'm gonna start it tomorrow, and my goal is to, well, yeah, I'm probably not gonna finish it by 2014. My goal for this, while I'm on winter break, is to get a few more videos in before 2014, and then just just keep cranking out videos while I'm still on winter break, which I have a whole nother week. So I mean, in terms of time, I still have plenty of time to get videos. I just wanted to make this thing real quick just to tell you guys what's been going on, because I know, I mean, in the video of Scythe 2 that I did, I said I was going to stick around, and then I only uploaded a Castle Totenkopf video after that. So hopefully I can get some more stuff in before the break ends, and hopefully get some more stuff in after the break. Tell you what, man, I'm sick of this cough. But anyway, yeah, there were a few important things I wanted to tell you guys. The first thing was that for Christmas I got a new computer, and I gotta tell you, it's quite a beast. So expect some high quality videos now. And the good thing about this is that I can actually record in like true 1080p now. So I won't have to, like, resize the video and make it look all blurry, and it won't be like choppy anymore. So yeah, I'm running on a better system, which means now, yes, I can record emulators just fine. I can record DOSBox just fine now. Trust me, I've tested out Fraps with everything I can think of, and it seems to work great. But yeah, it's kind of weird. It's running Windows 8, which I was kind of hoping I would get something. I was hoping I would just be able to just run Windows 7, but still, I mean, I'm getting used to 8, and it's pretty cool, I gotta say. I mean, there are some things that like some options and configurations that you gotta go hunting for, but I think it's pretty cool looking as far as the layout goes and everything. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about that. Yeah, I just yeah, I want you guys to know I got a new system. Let's see what else. Oh, yeah, about The Godfather, I'm kind of just gonna go ahead and, like, scrap that, because I really don't want to just leave it sitting there. I just didn't want to leave it sitting there for 3 months with no activity. What I'm gonna do is, eventually, when I have the time, I'm just gonna redo it, because hang on a second, I got a cough. Anyway, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm thinking when I have enough time, I'm just gonna redo it. And I've already taken the videos and the playlist down, and I kind of I didn't want to at first, but I figured, I mean, it was getting some good feedback. It's just that it wasn't, I don't know. Like the quality wasn't that good, and I mean, I've configured a few settings on my HD PVR so that, I mean, so that when I go back to do it, it'll look hopefully nicer. I do have I've been recording a few other videos with my best friend who co-commentated with me in that one Temple of the Lizard Men video, and well, yeah, I've got like, yeah, I've got some stuff on the Wii in mind. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to say. Um, yeah, Mega Man 2 is next, and that will take no time at all. And then after that, it will be Wolfenstein 3D, as promised, because you guys have been waiting for it for far too long. I've delayed it enough. But anyway, yeah, I think I'll go ahead and just take this opportunity to say thank you to everybody. Thank you for all the people who have just recently subscribed and left me positive comments on videos, sent me messages. I still have some messages to respond to. Thank you to just everybody who just watches my videos, thumbs up or likes or whatever, just anything to, give positive feedback. It's much appreciated. And well, yeah. It's it's nice. It's nice. I gotta say, you guys are awesome. So, again, I just want to say thank you. That'll be all for this video, and when we come back, I'll see you all in Mega Man 2 tomorrow. Oh, and happy 2 years, of course. Alright, see you then.